Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about dynamic cursors in SQL Server. Dynamic cursors are the opposite of static cursors. So dynamic cursors reflect all changes made to the rows in the result set when scrolling through the cursor. The data values, order and membership of the rows in the result set can change on each fetch. And all update, insert and delete statements made by all users are visible through the cursor. Updates are visible immediately if they are made through the cursor using either an API function such as SQL set POs or the transact SQL where current of class. Updates made outside the cursor are not visible until they are committed, unless the cursor transaction isolation level is set to read uncommitted. So this is directly to the opposite to the static cursors. Static cursor will not affect the changes, what are the changes made on database. But dynamic cursors will accept the changes what are made in tables records. And we can move this to forward or prior. Let us check the simplest example for this. This is table, check with the student table. It has student ID and student name. Going to declare the cursor student, cursor dynamic. So syntax cursor dynamic for select student ID and student name from student table. Just open the cursor. Before that you should declare the column variables. With the same data type. So then fetch from the cursor into the declared variable in the same order of fetch conditions. So just check with the fetch status. Just going to print student name and move next within a while loop. After the data process completion, close the cursor and deallocate. See, this is a simple example for dynamic cursors. Just print the student name. See, in another session, one more session, that session going to update the student name while fetching in the cursor. See, student set student name where student ID is 3. The current status data student name David for student ID 3. This is the query to update 3 with some different student name. After open cursor, command wait for delay for 3 seconds. So it just cursor declare, then open it and wait for the delay 3 seconds. Within these seconds we are going to update this record, and after from the we get check with the fetch results. Generally dynamic cursors fetch data from tables, not from result sets stored in TempDB like static cursors. Static cursors stores the result set to the TrimDB and work with the fetched results. But dynamic access fetches each rows from tables directly. See, current data and going to print and going to update there. Here the rows affected and here it will print the updated one. So dynamic access accept the changes made on database tables with the other users also. Here I am going to just delete the student. Now check with the dynamic cursor. Going to execute the cursor and going to delete it. Here rows affected and it will print just 2 rows. Generally dynamic access accepts all changes by insert or update or delete based on the table, and we can move this to backward and forward. Finally we can fetch first, so it's scrollable for forward and backward. Within this dynamic cursor we can use update command. See, update student, set student name is equal to upper of student name, where current of, this is a address indication of the current cursor address. So this is a criteria for where current of, that means the current row from the cursor. So it is a current row's address for to update the student table. So finally select start from student. See, it will update the student name with the criteria of where current of current student, current rows. So dynamic cursor will accept the all changes made in database from any other user, and we can update the table, and we can move the cursor prior to next first class. It accepts. So this is a dynamic access in SQL Server. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.